Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia and I am a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop, SilynthiaC Budget Creations, down below. If you're interested in checking it out, feel free to do so. Let's go ahead and count up what we're stuffing for Coffee Wednesdays today. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, 11! Wait, did I just got excited because it's September 11th and I have $11. But let me make sure because that was not planned and I got so excited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is. It's $11. Okay, well, I don't know what the number 11 means in angel numbers or anything like that, but wow. Okay, so we have $11 on September 11th. That's exciting. Okay, anyway, we have some Coffee Wednesday envelopes to get through. Some of them only need $1, you guys. That means finally they will be finished. But are we going to finish them today? I don't know. We're going to find out though. Let's go ahead and pull our savings challenges out. Last week we had an IOU. We got to take care of that sucker. Can you believe that? Can you believe an IOU? So not right. But I have my other savings challenges lined up to replace the ones once we actually finish them. So set that off to the side. This is my wild card. It's worth $2. Each square is worth $2. And so we'll put that one as number 1 today. Then we have 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it looks like 2 and 3. We need to get those taken care of so we can move on to our other savings challenges and then figure out what's going to happen next. All right, let's get rolling. If I roll a 5 or a 6, that does not count. And we started with the 5, doesn't count. 4. Okay. 2. Done. Done. What I'll do is we'll finish this and then we'll add in the other savings challenge and then see where we're at the, you know, we'll get it together. But this one's completed. 3. Yes. Okay, these 2 are completed. Done. Okay. 2. All right. So what we'll do is we'll just continue on because what I'll pull it. Let me calm down. I'll pull in the other one when we're done. 4, 3, 2. Oh, you know what? This one had an IOU. Nobody told me. I'm not paying attention. We need to pay off that $1. We have to pay off that $1. Okay, we paid off that $1. This IOU, put it off to the side. Hopefully we won't get any more. Right? Okay. 5, 3. Come on. 3. Okay. 2. Yes, yes. Okay, so this one actually wouldn't have gotten anything if it didn't have an IOU, but you know what? We'll take the win where we're going to get the win these days, okay? All right, so we have this IOU, and so we paid it. That means we should be able to color in one of these other squares. Oh yeah, and that was the other thing I did. I keep doing this. I colored on the envelope instead of the savings challenge. So that one was right there. Okay. I've got to be more careful. And I'll clean that off in a second. This is a judgment-free zone. Let's see here. We have 20, 25, 30, 32, 33, 34. Yes. So we can color in one more square here on the actual savings challenge. And we will get this cleaned up because, you know, I don't know how to act. Put that IOU off to the side because we don't owe anything today. I keep doing that, and I've got to be more careful. We need to put the money back in there. This one's so close. This one has $6. It needs $6. So I'm hoping that in the month of September, these will all be completed. All right. So we are adding. Oh, we're adding $1. We're adding $1, and then we'll put this other $3 off to the side. But let's color in this one because we have a victory. Okay. All right. So let's see here. This money's all crazy because I was getting change out. so I can do a cash stuffing. All right, so we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, $20. It took me a long time, but it was totally worth it. 20 bucks. This one's completed, and I do have a paper clip. I was going to say I don't have one, but I have a paper clip right here. So I will put this savings challenge here because it's completed, and then we will pull out one of our other savings challenges so we can start working on that. These savings challenges, the coffee and puppies, the ones you see on the film, those are printable in the shop, and I will link them down below. And these also are a printable in our shop. So we're adding $3. 1, 2, 3. So let's color in 3 coffees. All right, so each coffee cup is $1, and every time I complete one of these savings challenges, I haven't decided where that money's going to go to, but as long as I'm saving, I know that I'm working towards something, the bigger picture. So I don't have anything set for this yet. 1, 2, 3. $3 already in the savings challenge. Yippee! So exciting. It's so exciting to see this progress being made. Okay, and then next up, okay, oh, this one's done. Okay, yes. All right, so we're going to add $1 there, and this one has 3 more that we're going to put into a new coffee saving challenge. Now, if you have a coffee freebie, let me know. My email is actually down below if you want to send it to me. I wanted to do coffee freebies, but they're so hard to find, and I was just like, I don't have it in my budget at this time to buy a coffee savings challenge. But if you have a freebie, please, 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 please let me know. Hand it off because I like the freebies. But these are for sale in the shop. But I would love to have some more coffee savings challenges for my Coffee Wednesdays. Let's make sure we have 20 bucks. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, we do. Yes. You guys, you see all this progress happening? Yeah, so exciting. All right, so since we completed this one, we'll set that one off to the side as well. And we will grab another coffee savings challenge. Let's do this one here. And this one, another one from the shop as well. So we are adding 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Oh, so six. Oh, it says $16 right here. Do you guys see that? $16. Pay attention. Now, okay. So this one's gonna save me 16 bucks. The reason I decided to go to these other savings challenges because I need some quicker wins. The saving challenges that you see that are $20, and then I doubled the other one, which made it 40. It takes a lot longer for me, which is perfectly fine, but I need to have access to that money when I need to have access to it. I can't wait for a couple months and then the savings challenge be completed. So I figured I'll leave 1 or 2 of those in there, and then I'll have some other ones like 16 bucks. It's going to be a little bit quicker win than trying to do 40. So let's add this $3 there. All right, and then we have $2 going into our last Coffee Wednesday saving challenge. Let's do 1, 2. Okay, so hopefully, no, I don't want to get ahead of myself. Hopefully next week, this one will be completed because it only needs 2 more bucks, and then we're in business. All right, so we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18 bucks. $18. Yes. Okay, trying to make sure it's dry because they're smearing onto my envelopes and I haven't been able to clean them off. But anyway, let's see here. Yes. All right, that's it for now, guys. We've gone ahead and stuffed our Coffee Wednesday savings challenges. We completed a couple of them, so huge win for us. Very big win for us, especially because it did take me so long to save those amounts. But I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. That's it for now, guys. Bye.